Hi guys.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That is so kind. Do you want to get in the basket?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Also, no.
Mommy, what is it here?
I'm trying to stay focused because the store is so big, but when you have OCD and ADHD, you want everything. So I'm trying to stay focused and try to find what I came in here for. Hello.
Is it a coffee thing?
No, it's for hair, I'm sure, because it's a hair store. Maybe when you're coloring your hair.
Dye tinting bowl.
Oh, okay.
I'm like, it's for coffee.
If we wanted to make our own products, we can use this. This is what I used to put my shea butter in. We must stay focused.
Go ahead. Good.
What, Dada?
Let's go look.
It's a here.
You gonna push the cart?
Uh-huh. Daddy? Hey, I'm trying to do that.
Mom. Right here. Ooh, look, girl.
Ooh, those are pretty. You like those?
Yeah,
Those are pretty.
this is pretty.
Yeah. What you think? Should I just keep the clear and white ones?
Oh, I like these.
I do too.
And they're really small.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
I also like the pink ones too.
Oh, yeah, there we go. I was like, oh, it's really small. Oh, take it.
Let me get
Here, grab it.
Get it. Yay.
Got it. There you go.
Come on. Let it go. Good job. I think I'm gonna get this. That's like repair. I don't think we need repair. Well, let's go with this. I don't know. Yellow wouldn't do well. So it's been a while since we bought a lot of hair products at one time because we've been poor. So this is our first haul of hair products in a really long time. So let's get into it. First, I got these. I'm gonna try them out in Arya's hair and see how they hold for her. I want to do it for Easter. It's been a very long time since we got shea butter, but we have shea butter here. More beads because the girls are really in their bead era. So bead. And then I got TGIN shampoo. So when I want to switch between leave-in conditioner, which I'm probably going to use as a regular conditioner. Here we got some edge control booster. I actually really like this. It's one of my favorite ones to use. I switched it up this time and I got the brown bottle instead of the red bottle I usually get, but I usually like Edge Control Beauty. This, which is a bottle to help, or applicator to better put in like oils and stuff in your hair. I would melt down the shea butter and put it in one of these bad boys when I do hot oil treatment. I can stop just pouring oil on my hair now so barbarically for a hot oil treatment. Fine Gem deodorant has nothing to do with hair.
What in the
on this
hair?
side. I know, but it's life, baby.
No,
Just to see. That leather is really nice.
Look at the guy and the A and the rabbit.
Hey. Yeah, it is yellow. Up, clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up.
What?
Right. There we go.
Ow.
I'm sorry.
Ow. The bum here.
Huh?
Bum's here. Up here. Bumps. Maybe shoes.
You like your beads?
Yeah.
I like them too.
I like it too. Ooh.
Three.
Let me try.
So like that.
Let me try.
Pushes it. So like that.
You smile for the camera. Say cheese. Oh, you so tired. You can't even function. How does it feel to have your hair again?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.